Drawing Club. And we are in the 100 days, 6 minutes drawing challenge, and we are on episode number 41. And we are doing funny monsters.
Yo! If you want to win some amazing goodies from Parikshet and Kids Funland Club, don't forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below on how did you like the drawing and also what drawing you want us to do next. You need to stay till the end of the video and you become eligible for some exciting goodies from Parikshet. Let's get started with episode number 14 of 6 minutes 100 days challenge. Which one are we doing? The second one? Okay, let's get started.
Just follow me. Not this one right now.
This is gonna be an easy sketch.
Very.
Okay, that's all. The legs. The eyes. The teeth. And the hand. That's an easy drawing. By the time Parikshet finishes his drawing, do not forget to hit on the like and the subscribe button and add a comment below with the drawing that you want us to do next to win some exciting goodies from Parikshet. The first 5 comments get some exciting goodies. Yay! You are done, Parikshet? Let's see how Parikshet has done. Wow, whose drawing did you like more? Parikshet's or mine? Tell us in the comments below. See you in the next drawing. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.